My dental issues arose with all the sugary cereal we ate as children. That set me, and I'm sure many others, up for a lifetime of dental problems. And eventually, as the decades passed, those problems became more severe. Teeth needed to be replaced. And in that instance, it became a matter of considering implants. I was attracted to this practice after looking at a number because of their knowledge of and practice of cutting-edge dental medicine.
Rick was a very interesting case, and when he came in, I saw that he was in a terminal dentition at that point. I was concerned, and we talked about different options, and he was very cautious about what he wanted to go through the process here. So we talked about a combination of extraction of some teeth and placing some implants because, again, he wanted a fixed option. So we, as we always do, start with photographs, some diagnostic models. We did an intraoral scan with our prime scan, and more importantly, we did a CT scan as well.
When I arrived at the practice for the first visit, I knew that implants were going to be part of the solution, and that I had researched the options out there, including different practices and different approaches. And from what I was learning about this practice, it represented a cutting-edge approach that gave me a lot of confidence that things would work.
So on the day of surgery, again, we explained that the surgical procedure is going to be done robotically, and what that meant was just using a robot for an assistance here. So the robot actually is a dynamic, robotic assistance system which helps the surgeon just increase safety, accuracy, and precision. On the day of surgery, after we extracted some of his teeth, we get him a transitional partial denture. He came in for a follow-up. Again, because of the minimal invasive nature of the procedure, the outcome was satisfactory. He did not complain of too much of distress or discomfort or pain for that matter, and he recovered well. So I'm very happy for him, and the follow-up was very well as expected.
At a time of great uncertainty as to what to do, I found in Dr. Satish a guide I could really trust, and someone to also do the work. And beyond that, I feel that he stands behind what he does, and that's very reassuring. I've been in and out of many dental chairs over a number of decades, and this is the best I've ever felt about the dentist that I've selected.